Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Verslaytile, where I slay with my versatility through educational and recreational videos. I'm Ayushi, and in today's video, I'm going to show you some amazing nail art. There are too many facets of this soul. I've already made a video on tips for effective communication, and now in this video, I'm going to work with my recreational genre, which is also one of my favorites. During these times where hand sanitizer has made its way to our homes and has become a necessity, I'm here to bring upon you all a newspaper print nail art, which is my very own self-discovered with the use of hand sanitizer. So let's get started. So that's all for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section if you found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel Verslaytile for more such amazing content.